Hi, Matt Stern from Bachmann here, and today we're going to talk about our new short body bay window transfer caboose in HO scale.
These cars were some of the last cabooses produced for Class 1 railroads, with the design being pioneered by the Missouri Pacific in the late 1970s. Not long after the MoPac cabins entered service, the Louisville and Nashville developed their own version, which began operation in Family Lines colors in the early 1980s. Similarly, the Southern Pacific constructed a one-off prototype from an existing bay window caboose, using many of the same hallmarks as the MoPac design. While developed as road cabooses, examples from all three railroads survived into the 21st century thanks to their spacious open platforms, which made them ideal for use as transfer cabooses between yards and on reverse shove movements. The four road names available in this first run of Bachmann short body bay window cabooses includes Missouri Pacific in as-delivered red, Union Pacific, reflecting the post-merger scheme found on ex-MoPac equipment, CSX, reflecting the later years of the L&N cars, and Southern Pacific No. 1 in its daylight-inspired scheme. Each one of these cars could be found operating across their respective systems, making these incredibly versatile models. All cars feature metal wheels, body-mounted Easy-Mate Mark II couplers, and display a range of separately applied details such as railings, grab irons, equipment boxes, and brake rigging underneath. The Missouri Pacific and Union Pacific cars additionally include the signature wickers on the bay windows, used to prevent rain from hitting the windows while also enabling screens to be installed for use in warm weather. Look for the short body bay window transfer caboose at your favorite Bachmann retailer, or find them online at bachmanntrains.com.